Yesterday morning, birds were flocking to our bird feeder. In addition to the normal assortment of chickadees, a nuthatch or two, and maybe a junco, a hairy woodpecker showed up. It had some interest in the seeds in the feeder, but more interest in the dead branches and decaying wooden posts we have around our yard, looking for bugs. Mid-November is still quite early to put up a bird feeder with the concern that bears still feeding before hibernation could eat it, but we chose to put it up due to the early snowfall. We have never had issues with bears, not that we couldn't have an issue in the future.